So in this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your domain in the Facebook Business Manager. And this is a somewhat new requirement to do. And so it's actually a really easy process to do. So I'm in my Business Manager settings. So this is the business settings. And we go down here to brand safety and then to the subcategory of domains. And here you can see under my Green Arrow Digital Business Manager, I haven't registered my domain. So I have to add a domain here. I'm going to go add, and I'm going to do teachtraffic.com and add domain. So as you can see, there are 3 different ways that we can verify this domain. So we've got, we can upload this particular text record to our DNS, which is our domain name server, which is our hosting provider. This is also, we can upload this HTML verification file, or this way is we just put this in the head section on our website directly. So that's what I am going to do, but either of these 3 options is possible. So I am now in the back end of my website, and I am just going to go to header. This is obviously the way that my site has been built. And where am I going to find this? Maybe theme, settings, header, footer, scripts. And I am going to put this here. Publish. And then we hit verify, and we can see that the domain is now verified here. So we are done verifying the domain, and that's it.